Hey guys, welcome to another session of Daily English Conversation Practice with me. So guys, what I'm trying to do here is I'm just trying to pick up certain topics which happens in our day-to-day life and on which we talk about a lot, right? So that is why I'm trying to pick up those topics and to speak in front of you so that you get an example of how to speak about that situation or that event or that thing in detail or in a structured way. And also guys, I speak very simple sentences. I speak very simple English so that you understand, you connect with me, and you can take up that instance or the event or experience and start describing it either with me, or you can repeat after me, or you can take the topic and start speaking on your own. So you can have that idea and then you can start speaking on your own. It won't take more than 10 minutes of yours, guys. Trust me on this, and this is really going to help you because these are real life situations. These are daily conversation practice exercises wherein I pick up most common topics which we generally use in our conversations. So when you practice all these things, it will be very easy for you to go and speak to people outside. This will help you in building confidence and building your fluency in English language or English speaking. So guys, if you haven't watched my videos on daily conversation practice, go watch my videos. It's really going to help you a lot, and start talking about it. Start describing those situations. Start describing those things and activities. Okay, or events basically. This will be a great help for you. Today, I am going to change the rules. Yes, today I am going to show you a clip. Okay, and then you have to come up with a creative story, or you have to come up with a creative description of that. So what I am going to do first is I am going to show you the clip. It will run in the background and I am going to describe about it. I am going to talk about it in detail. Once I've spoken about it, you can also start thinking on those lines and start looking at the video and start describing that event or that clip, like what is happening there and how you can become more creative in describing that thing. Okay, so I think this is a very interesting concept, and this will help you to enlighten your imagination and to help you to speak better English. So it's basically a random clip which I've taken and I'm going to show you, and I'll be talking about that clip. And of course, you can start talking with me, you can start describing with me, you can repeat after me, or you can come up with a new idea and start describing that. So here we go. Before that, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. And that is why I've come up with this daily English conversation practice series, wherein I'm going to come up with more creative ideas so that it helps you to practice English speaking in a better way, and it will also help you to achieve your goal of speaking English fluently and confidently, easily and quickly. Okay, now let's get started. Let's see this clip first. Okay, done. Now guys, I'm going to describe this clip with my own imagination, and then accordingly you can also come up with another with your description. So we generally go to a mall, we eat and we come back on weekends. So we do this a lot. So we saw a game zone there. So we went to this game zone and we found a lot of exciting things happening there. The kids were enjoying, the elders were also having fun. So all age groups, they have something or the other for every age group. And when we enter the game zone, it's full of energy. It's full of energy. Everybody is cheering, everybody is enjoying, they're having fun, great time there. It has everything, it has something or the other for all age groups, like for a kid to an elder person. We all can enjoy there. So kids can enjoy with their parents. If you have a group of friends, you can also go there and enjoy. So all sorts of people you will find there. and they all enjoy. So you have this Ferris wheel. For kids, they all have a lot of other activities. You have bowling also there. Some game zones have a separate bowling area, and some game zones have that bowling area inside that. So you can do bowling there. You can do a lot of other stuffs there. Your kids will also enjoy. You can also have a good time there. So we go there, and my daughter has certain activities or certain things which she likes to do. So she just goes there and she starts playing. She knows she has her own target, so she starts playing with those games. And I love this ring game. So when I usually go there, I do this a lot. So there are 10 ducks in a row, 3-4 rows, there are 10 ducks. Throw the ring from a distance so that it goes on, so that the ring gets inside the duck's neck. One chance is 10 rings, so you can just try that. So 5 rings has to be there to get a reward. You have to get 5 rings inside the duck's neck to get the reward, but every ring has to be on different duck's neck. So that is the catch. I love that game. I do it. So at times I ring 5 ducks, or at times I ring 3 ducks only. So it depends on how much concentration I give at that time. So it depends on that. But I enjoy that game. I enjoy bowling also. So we go for bowling at times, me and my husband. We go for bowling also. I have these huge screen games also. And my daughter loves those. You can also we also enjoy doing that. So we also participate there, and we help her, and probably we also participate there, and we also enjoy that game. So there are lots of games in the game zone. You can go, I think every mall has some or the other game zone. So if you want to visit some game zone, you can definitely try one. You will enjoy, you will have a great time, a great family time as well, or great friends time. If you want to go with a group, you will enjoy that. People celebrate birthdays also there. They have a separate area for birthdays also. So a lot of birthdays are also celebrated there in the game zone, and it's total fun. You'll easily spend a lot of time there because there are lots of activities to do. So you can try a lot of other activities there. But trust me on this, whenever you see people there, everybody enjoys a lot there. Everybody is very happy there. They're very excited and they're having fun. As you can see in this video as well, everybody is having fun. The place is bustling with energy and noise. It's very noisy there. Yes, it's very noisy. You can't hear much, but then it's very difficult to hear. Music is also there. People are also talking there. Kids are playing, screaming, a lot of activities are going on simultaneously. So it's overall a very different experience. And there are lots of games. There are basketball, lottery games. So you can try, you can win the jackpot. You can try anything. If you want to relax, if you don't want to do anything, if you want to just relax, you can go and sit on that chair and you can enjoy a good massage there. So that is also one of the advantage of going to the game zone. So anyways, so guys, this is how I've described this picture or this video which I've played on screen. Now you can also pick up some ideas from me, or you can just look at that and start getting your ideas, start generating more ideas and start describing that, right? You can come up with a story. You can come up with your friends decided to go to a game zone so that we can, spend good time there. And you went there, and what you found, what did you enjoy more, what did you all do there, these things. You can just start adding more and more details to it so that you can come up with a story, or you can come up with a good description of that video or a picture or a clip. Okay, or if you don't want to do that, you can just repeat after me, listen to me, and then try to get those ideas, absorb those ideas, and then try to speak about it. Okay, or you can repeat after me, or you can come up with your own. So these are the 3 ways you can practice this. I'm sure guys, you're very clear about what I've said and how to practice this. So start doing it right now, and it's definitely going to help you. See you in the other session. Bye-bye.